Hello students, how are you all? As you know, we have started in the last week about the new chapter, that is combustion and flame, in which we have discussed about the definition of combustion, combustible substance, non-combustible substance. Similarly, we have discussed about what are the factors which are required for to burn anything for the combustion takes place. And similarly, also we have discussed about how the fire can be extinguished. Now students, the next topic for today is flame. What exactly is flame? Flame is a region in which a gaseous substance burns, or combustion of the gaseous substance it takes place to give heat and light energy. So students, flame is always being produced by both, we can say, first of all, about the liquid as well as the gaseous fuels. They produce the fume or flame as such. And similarly, solids, exactly, all the solid fuels, all the substances, they do not produce the flame, but flame is only produced when the solid on heating vaporizes right into the vapor state or initially to the liquid state. For example, camphor, for example, candle flame, etc, etc. Similarly, wood and coal, because you know wood and coal, they have a lot of impurities in the form of the gases as well as the water. So that's why when the solids like the camphor or the solid like the wood, coal, etc, they are burned, so they initially produces the volatile substances. Due to that, the presence of that volatile substances, the wood and coal, they also burn initially like a flame, right? So this is our topic for today. As such, I have made it clear. Region where the combustion of the gaseous flame takes place, right, producing heat and light, is called flame. Now, all gaseous, I have told you people, as well as the liquid substances, fuels, they burn with a flame. Solids only in the case when they are vaporized on heating. Now, our major topic for today is structure of candle flame. I hope everybody among you have seen the candle flame very clearly on the occasion of the festival like Diwali and the others, Christmas, etc. We have seen the flame of the candle a lot of time. Now, as you have seen it clearly, it is having basically the four regions, right? The flame of the candle has the four regions. The outermost is called this non-luminous outermost zone, or the non-luminous zone, right? And it is the hottest out of all. I'm going to explain why. And second, just outermost, after that, the next one, it is called the middle zone, which is also called luminous zone. Actually, the candle is used for lighting, right? So the lighting part is being fulfilled by this middle zone, which is called the luminous zone, right? So next is the dark inner zone, which is very dark, right, because of the non-combustion due to the presence of unburned carbon particles. And the innermost is the blue zone, the lowest blue zone. So this also burns with the plenty of oxygen at the base, right? Now let us discuss one by one. As such, I have told you people, the outermost, this is called non-luminous zone. Student, this is the zone of the candle which is having the plenty of air supply from all the directions, as you are seeing from the diagram, right? Combustion takes place in the presence of oxygen, and in the presence of the sufficient supply of the oxygen, complete combustion take place. We have done in my last lecture about the complete combustion, right? Here the complete combustion, it is taken here, it takes place. Due to the complete combustion, when it burns, it produces carbon dioxide as well as water vapors along with the energy. It is being produced, right? So that's why it is called hottest zone, this zone, due to the complete combustion. right? So students, you might have seen the jewelers, right, or for melting the hard metals like the gold and silver, they used to put the ornaments there in the this non-luminous zone, where they blow air to the through a pipe, right, so that the whole concentration high energy, this is fallen down there on the metals like the gold and silver to melt them, right, because this can increase the temperature up to 1300 degrees Celsius of the flame, right. Here the gold and silver like metals, they easily burn. Now next comes just inner to the outer, the last one, it is the middle luminous zone. Due to the incomplete combustion here, because it is the inner part, so direct supply of air, as we are seeing, it is not being supplied from any of the direction around the candle, right. So that's why, due to insufficient supply of the oxygen, here incomplete combustion takes place. When incomplete combustion takes place, you know, unburned carbon particles along with the carbon monoxide is produced, right. So these are the unburned carbon particles which glow and emit light. That's why it is the zone which produces the light, right, yellow in color. Next will be the dark inner zone. Next to the middle flame is the dark inner zone, where no air supply is possible, because this is the third region from outside, right. So here no oxygen available due to the unburned carbon particles. The unburned carbon particles are also available here, right. So these unburned carbon particles, they make this zone dark in color. And the last is the lowest blue zone. This is the zone just around the wick of the candle. You know, the wick of the candle, the thread like thing which is coming out, which catches fire when we bring the burning splinter near to the candle. So this region, this is just around the particular wick side, right. So it lies at the bottom of the flame, right. Blue color is due to the burning of the wax vapors, because when the solid wax, it is burned, it produces the vapors first of all, and it is at the base of the candle. That's why here again the plenty of oxygen is present. Due to the plenty of the oxygen, here also complete combustion takes place. That complete combustion provide this zone a blue zone, right. So here I think it is very much clear to you people. Now students, in my next lecture I am going to explain you about the fuel, the solid, liquid and gaseous fuels, what is called an ideal fuel, and how pollution is being created on burning of the fuel, right. So thank you so much.